Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today we came to visit another place. Today we came to visit Jama Masjid. Now we are inside of the Jama Masjid, and my Ammu is already showing you whatever is there, like the insides of Jama Masjid. We came here, but we're not gonna climb the towers because there are a lot of stairs there. This place is not like dirty, it's clean only, but they're still like making those things. As you can see, those bamboos that like there, I think they're still making it. We're not gonna go inside that, but this looks like good from here. We stopped here, we're so hungry, and we searched for a restaurant, and this was the best restaurant in the nearest place. So we came here to take our lunch. I know this place is so crowded. Everywhere it's crowd. I think so much people is coming to visit everywhere. Like wherever I'm going, I can see crowd. But I think this management. This was the top restaurant in here. This was also a new restaurant, so we came. But let's see how the food tastes like. That's how the restaurant looks, and there's also an aquarium inside. There are a lot of fishes here. We're gonna go on the second floor, not on the ground floor. The family places are on second floor. So currently we're going to the second floor. ordered our food, and not like all the items arrived, but some of them arrived. We ordered chicken biryani, and it came. As you can see, the chicken biryani. It doesn't taste bad. I would say it is not bad. It's good, but it's not so good. It's just good. Like always, I like to do serving for my family, so I'm serving the biryani for all of us. I am still serving. That was for my ammu, and now finally for myself. I always pick myself at last. My ammu taught me that the one who is serving should take their one at last, because another person is serving. So I just want to respect. Like I give others first, then I take myself. Now we also ordered tandoori chicken and butter chicken. There it is, our tandoori chicken and butter chicken. And also we took rumali roti. It didn't have a much quantity, but whatever we had, we just used it to whatever like. But the food was not so bad. It was good, but I won't say so good. And my bunu wants me to do everything for her, even make her a piece of roti. We all are eating. Now, like, food was okay, but I was hungry, so at that moment I liked it. We finished eating and now we are full. I don't like cold drinks, that's why. Now we are so full. We'll be going home now, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye, Maslama.